supper Wednesday. Let's get cooking from skillet to plate. Just take a look in. So grab your boots and come our way. It's what's for supper Wednesday.
Folks, before we get started today, I'd like to ask for a special prayer. I'm not going to go into details, but it's for one of our subscribers, Shelby. Please keep her in your thoughts and prayers. Now, folks, they had these pork loins on sale this week, and we got one of those. And today we're going to be making pork schnitzel with mushroom gravy. There you can see we got that there for $17.36. Alrighty. First thing we're going to do, we're going to slice up some of this pork, and then we're going to pound it out, thin it down to where they're all pretty close to the same size. It don't look like it, but I'd sharpen that knife. Now we'll get several meals out of this here. One day we'll do a pork loin roast there, and may slice up some more again, because it was pretty tasty, I'll tell you that right now. Alright, Doug, you just keep right on slicing. You're doing good. Just don't cut yourself. Alrighty. Take out your frustrations there. Now we're going to pound these out to about 1/4 inch thick. They'll cook up a little bit quicker. And then plus that there is help making it more tender. It's breaking up the muscle fibers. And this is going to be a simple, we're not going to be doing no egg wash or anything like that there today. We're just going to be rolling these out, or patting cornmeal on them there. You'll see in just a second. Alrighty, what we're fixing to do here, salt and pepper each side, real good. Add whatever other spices you want, folks. Like I said, make this your own. We've always said that there. Putting on some pepper there now. We'll turn these over in just a second and do the same thing on the other side, because we're not going to be adding any seasoning to the cornmeal. Now you can see that far left one up there. I didn't season it or anything. Dixie prefers hers plain. That'll be hers. We won't worry about coating it or anything. Alrighty. We're going to salt and pepper this side here also. Garlic, it'd be good on there. Just like I said, whatever you want to season it with. Now we're just using plain self-rising cornmeal. Ain't really no measuring to it. Put in however much you think you're going to need there to cover your chops up. And then what we're going to do, we're going to press that down in there real good. Both sides. And then we're just going to lay it back over here to the side, and then we'll put them back in the bowl. And we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. 30 minutes to an hour. We did ours for an hour. That'll help it stick to the pork. And we'll just do that with all of them there. And once again, if you want to use breadcrumbs, that'd be fine. Just whatever you prefer. And you could have definitely used egg wash on this if you wanted to. We're just going to give it a go here with just cornmeal. See how it does. And I'll tell you right now again, they turn out pretty darn good, folks. But yeah, panko, breadcrumbs, cracker crumbs, they would have probably worked real well. I can remember Mom, she used to make chicken. I don't know if we've made any of that and put on the video or not. Cornflakes. Crush up some cornflakes. Of course, you can buy them already crushed up if you'd like. That used to be real good on chicken. I don't know about pork. Be worth a try. Don't see why it wouldn't work. This is going to be a simple, quick meal. Alright, we're just going to lay these back in that same bowl we used there. The less stuff we use, the less cleanup we got. Going to lay Dixie's on top. Alrighty. Now, take that and put it in the fridge, Doug. Now, for the gravy, we're using 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Now folks, start off with 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to be honest, part of the way through cooking I added just a little bit more milk just to thin it out just a little bit more. Now all we're going to do is heat that up. Sour cream would be good in that also. About a tablespoon of sour cream. Mix it in, but we didn't have none today. Now we're just going to lay them in there. And we cooked ours for 2 minutes on each side. As thin as they was, we could have probably went with like 1.5 minutes on each side. Now, I was sharing the kitchen that day with Carolyn. She is over there fixing the tater cakes and fried squash. We've got our gravy up there. It's cooking. Just all you got to do is heat it up. And like I said, I did add a little bit more milk. And there you have it. There's the pork, tater cakes, peppers, cucumbers, and fried squash. Let's get them in here and let them try it. Alrighty, here you have it, folks. Let's have our taste test. Shook. Try you some of the gravy.
Oh gosh, it's good. Delicious.
That's really good.
Alrighty, folks. They said it's good. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you soon. Thank you for watching. Once again, folks, please keep Miss Shelby in your prayers. I know she'll appreciate it. We sure do appreciate it. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Thank y'all for watching.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.